You know, I don't think I've ever seen a fireplace surround that didn't have at least a little bit of smoke and soot somewhere on the face of the fireplace. Now basically it's just grease, so you need a good degreaser in order to clean this up, and one of the best degreasers I've ever found is TSP, or trisodium phosphate. Now to apply this powder onto a vertical surface would be really hard, and if you try to spray any kind of cleaner on it, it'll run right down. So what I'm going to do is make a simple paste by adding just a little bit of water to the TSP. There we go. Then using the same sponge, we'll just apply this like that. And come back with the more abrasive side of the sponge. And you can see it does a great job cleaning all of that off. Then you'll want a good clean sponge to make sure you're getting rid of all of the residue. Of course, cleaning ceramic tile like this is fairly easy because it has a glaze, but if you have brick on your fireplace surround, then you'll need to be a little more aggressive. The paste will still work well, but you may need one of these.